Conditional redirects let you send contacts to different pages based on what they put into your form. They personalize your visitor's experience by showing them personalized, customized messages when they land on your thank you page. I'll show you what I mean and how to set them up. Let's say you're a vet, and you have a Contact Us form with a drop-down field asking what type of pet the visitors own. The drop-down might include things like cat, dog, hamster, bird, etc. If a contact says they've got a cat, you could use a conditional redirect to send them to a page filled out with information on cat expertise. If they're dog owners, however, you might send them to a page that highlights your canine knowledge or offers them a specific service related to dogs. This kind of personalization proves to your leads that you're actually paying attention to their needs, boosting their confidence and your conversion rates at the same time. You can use conditional redirects in many other ways as well. For example, you might ask leads what their budget for a project is, or about their role at a company, or what specific challenge they might be facing. Then you'd send each person to a page that shows off your relevant experience. You could talk about big projects or small ones, or why your service is valuable to executives or sales reps, etc. So now let's put this idea of conditional redirects into action. It'll take just 3 steps. First, we need to make sure we have all of the assets we need. Then we'll set up our redirect rules. And finally, we'll order our redirect settings. To create your assets, you're going to need a form and at least 2 thank you pages. It's best to have those set up first. We're going to assume that you've done that and move on to step 2. Next, we'll set up conditional redirect rules. First, go to your form settings. You'll find the conditional redirect checkbox right below the Send Contacts Here settings. Check the box to turn on the feature. Then, in the Redirect Rules box, click to add a new rule. Then, add a condition. Now pick the field that you want to work with. Using our vet example, we'll say that the type of pet field is equal to cat. Now that you have your condition, we can set up the redirect. This will tell us where to send the contact if this condition is met. Choose your thank you page for cat owners in the redirect settings. We'll use an Ontraport landing page. Once you've selected the page you want to use for your redirect, click Save. Awesome, you've just created your first condition. Now let's create conditions for your other pet options. Let's make one for dogs. Just like before, we'll click Add, then Add Condition. Again, we'll pick the field that we want to work with and say that the type of pet is equal to dog. For the redirect destination, choose an Ontraport landing page again, and once that's done, click Save. One last thing before we wrap it up. We need to order our conditions. Sometimes, if you make things more complicated than our cat and dog example, someone's form fill out will match more than one of your rules. So it's important to understand that these rules will actually run in order. That means that your visitors will be redirected to the page you chose in the first condition that matches. You can reorder these conditions by dragging and dropping them. Also, if none of these conditions match, then the visitor will be sent to the original opt-in destination. Once you have your conditional redirects all set up, make sure to save your changes, and then you're all done. Now you know how to set up conditional redirects. Later in this series, I'm going to show you how to set up multi-step forms.